How many times a week do men have sex? On average, men in relationships have sex about once per week, but this frequency varies significantly depending on age, relationship status, and personal preference. In reality, there is no single normal number, and sexual satisfaction is more important than meeting a specific quota. Average weekly frequency by age. Research consistently shows that age is a major factor in sexual frequency, with younger adults having sex more often than older adults. Ages 18 to 24, about 37% of men have sex at least once per week. Ages 25 to 34, approximately 50% of men have sex at least once per week. Ages 35 to 44, roughly 50% of men have sex at least once per week. Age 45, the average is about once per week. Age 65, the average drops to less than once every 2 weeks. Factors influencing frequency. Beyond age, other elements can influence how often men have sex. Relationship status. Married men have sex less frequently than they did in past decades, though they still tend to have more sex than single men. Health. Declining testosterone levels and the onset of issues like erectile dysfunction can reduce a man's libido as he gets older. Work and lifestyle. Full-time workers tend to have less sex, an average of 45 times per year, than part-time or unemployed individuals, 62 times per year. Having children can also decrease the frequency of sex due to increased stress and less free time. Focus on satisfaction, not frequency. Many experts emphasize that the overall satisfaction of a couple's sex life is more important than the number of times they have sex. Research has shown that couples who have sex once per week tend to be happy, but more frequent sex does not necessarily lead to greater happiness. The key is open communication with the partner to ensure both individuals feel fulfilled.